Hey guys, I will just start in 2-3 minutes. I'm running 2-3 minutes late. So give me 2-3 minutes. I'll make one of you the host, and you can keep admitting people in. Whoever means
I can host.
yeah, whom, somebody. Okay, I made. Okay, I just need 2 minutes. I didn't see. I've made somebody the host. I think I don't know.
I miss Priya.
Yeah, give me few minutes. Okay, I'm just running
I can
late.
be host and let people in.
Wow. Okay, ma, you have to give 2 minutes. I'll just open the meeting. I'll just log in from my laptop.
Again. How was last week homework, guys? Did you have any questions? Can we go over that? How was the test, Rishit, last week? You said there was a test on word problems, right, ma'am?
Yeah, it was pretty easy.
Easy, okay. 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 I had questions on the homework, okay. Akshada, did you do the homework?
I haven't finished it, but I started it.
Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I finished like a little of it, so I just submitted whatever I finished.
Which is good actually. I saw yours, I saw Dhruv. Whatever you did, I saw. But yeah, would you mind doing for I see whatever you did, I clearly saw. But if you don't have solutions, you should always ping me. That was my comment for you. That's what I have written down. I don't know whether you corrected yours, meaning at least cross-checked most of the problems. That is so important. And uh, uh, Srinika, Did you do everything, Ma? That's the question I had for you on seeing your homework.
Yeah.
You did everything, huh? All the
Mhm.
pages noted?
Yeah. There's just some of the pages with just notes on them. So I just skipped those.
Okay, at least the homework, but I did not see some of the questions I felt in yours, Ma. Vinisha, how about you? Did you have any questions?
I finished some of it, but I didn't finish all of it.
Okay, which is still okay for me. Vibha, did you have any questions? Vibha, your link, you have linked, which is working. So I was happy, but it is a zip file, right, Ma? That is hard for me to check. Vibha is not here. Vibha isn't here. Okay. Vibha,
Athena sent me a message saying that she can't turn her camera on because of some internet connection problems. Here, I can forward the message to you.
okay, I've taken the question. Okay, thanks. Okay, Vibha. Thanks. Bhakti, Vibha is here. What is that? What does that mean?
She's in the meeting.
Oh, okay, okay. That's what you meant. I was a little taken aback. She's in India. How come she came here? Okay. Okay. I thought she was with you. So I didn't understand your message. I got it. Okay. So let's go ahead, guys. Well, okay. Now, what are they teaching in school, Rishit?
Doing systems of equations, and we're doing some chemistry along with that to find like the strength of stuff. And it's
Oh, mixtures. Okay. Mixtures, that type of problems I didn't discuss with you guys with other
yeah,
classes.
it's like very confusing.
No. I'll help you with that. No, I know. That's not chemistry, but I'll help you with that. Definitely. Okay. No, but the other class we did mixture problems. That was something I wanted to do with you guys first. Other than that, what other things? Akshata, what are they doing in school? Akshata?
Like linear equations.
Okay, linear equations. Inequalities I want to do with you guys a little bit more than what I did. Okay. Okay, let's do the mixture problems first. Mixture problems was a little tough when we discussed in the other class. Let's go to that. How about this? I'm going to do it, okay? A couple of problems I'm going to explain, and then we will see about you doing, okay? Let's see. Here we go. You see the problem on the board?
Yeah.
Okay, so what does this say? I'm going to explain one time. Let's see. If you don't understand, doesn't matter. We will go over it in a different way. What this says, I have a 4-quart bottle of 70% pure apple juice. Before I go to this problem, right? Suppose I buy 2% milk. What does that mean? At a store, I buy 2% milk. What does that mean? Video should be on in class. Yeah, go ahead. Vibha, I got your message, but Anya, video is mandatory. If I buy 2% milk, what does it mean?
The other 98% is other
Adira,
stuff.
Krisha, no exclusions here. Okay, there is 98%
Of other things.
of other things. Ah, that you got it. So 2% milk means 2% of fat is contained in it. Suppose there is 1000 milliliter of milk. 2% of it is milk means I will find out 2% of 1000, which is 20 ml of fat is there, right? And the rest of it, how much is it? 980 ml is not fat, meaning basically milk and water, correct? So you get this concept right? So let's see this one. You have 4-quart bottle of 70% pure apple juice. What does that mean? So quantity of apple juice is there. This is 4 quarts, right? This is 70% pure apple juice. Any questions still here? What do you think? This is 70% pure apple juice means how much of it, meaning okay. So this is 70% pure apple juice. So 7 parts out of, if I split it into 10 parts, right? If I split this into 10 parts, 7 parts is pure apple juice. You're all getting that because it's 70% pure apple juice. Okay, now how to calculate that pure uh, apple juice part of it? How to calculate how much pure apple is present in this 4 quarts? How to do that? What do I do to find out how many quarts are just pure apple? Go ahead, guys. Just now I explained that milk, right? You don't know is also an answer, right? We don't know how much quarts is this. That will be equal to, you're trying to get 85% pure apple juice. How much will be the quantity? We'll see. See, now you're mixing 4 quarts of something with X quarts of something. How much will be the quantity of the result? You're mixing 4 quarts of something with X quarts of something.
Result would be 4 plus X.
Yeah, 4 plus X quarts will be the quantity. That is the 85% pure apple juice. Now the thing is, we are only bothered about the pure apple part of it in each. So how to calculate the pure apple part of this 4 quarts?
You separate 4 into 10 parts and then just take
Exactly. I will separate, or what do I do? 70% means 0.07 in decimal, right? Part of it is pure apple. If you have one
Can it be
quantity,
0.7?
I'm sorry, ma, 0.7. So 0.7 times 4 would be the pure apple part of it, correct?
So 28%.
So now I have to combine that with 9% of this X quarts. So this would be the pure apple part. Now what will be the pure apple part of the result? It would be 0.85 times the quantity. You see, this is what is required. When I mix 70% of pure apple with 90% of pure apple, different quantities I'm mixing to get 85% of the total quantity. So first I find out 70% of this quantity, 90% of this quantity. When I combine, it will become 85% of the total quantity. So now this would be 2.8 plus 0.9x will be equal to 0.85x plus 3.4. Now subtract 0.85x on both sides. You will get 0.05x will be equal to 3.4 minus 2.8 is what? 0.6. So x will be equal to 60 by 5, 12 quarts. So the quantity of 90% pure apple juice that I have to mix with the 70% pure apple juice of 4 quarts to bring up the 85% pure apple juice is 12 quarts. How many of you did not get it?
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead. Or any questions you can ask now.
in like this part of the equation, what does that represent exactly?
It's just the pure apple. See, because my target is to get the 85% pure apple. Okay.
Is
Meaning how much ever, let's say I'm making a total of 1000 ml, or let's say I make a total of 1 liter of 85% pure apple juice. My target is 85% of this. 85 divided by 100 of that 1 liter should be pure apple. That is my target. To achieve that, I calculate the pure apple part of this. What is the pure apple part of this? The quantity is different. It's not both the same, right? 4 quarts. So in that 4 quarts, I'm calculating what is 70% of it, because that part is only pure apple.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
I'm kind of confused.
No, that's not the way to go, right? You tell me where are you confused and I can help you.
I'm confused at the second equation where it says 0.85x plus 3.4.
Okay. Okay, let me help you. You're confused in the second this part. Okay. Now, let's say I combine 1 liter of orange juice. Okay, 1 liter of apple juice. What is the total quantity of apple orange juice I'll get? Dhruv.
Yeah.
What is the total quantity of apple orange juice I'll get?
2. 2 because 1 liter equals 1 liter equals 2.
Two, right?
Yeah.
So like, 1 second, guys. 1 second. I just want to make sure on the video part. Wait. Dhruv, why is your video not on again?
Just give me a second. I have to.
But that's not fine. An online class has to be on.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway.
Adhira's is also not on. Okay, I will make a note of it. I am not going to further.
Adhiras,
talk
I
to you.
told you earlier, Adhira sent me a message that they have a power outage and she's just connected to her dad's hotspot, so it'll just let her join the meeting and it won't let her unmute or turn her camera on.
Because
My
I'm
messages are only sending to her. I can't like send them to you for some
not
reason.
really, ma. I have taken all the provisions now. You can send it to me now. Okay, I understood the problem, Adhira, though. Initially, when you sent it, I had enabled some host permission, so everything is off now.
Okay.
Did you get it? So 1 liter of orange juice and 1 liter of apple juice, when I add, it becomes 2 liters, right? Now, let me ask you this. When I mix 2% milk, 1 liter of 2% milk I add with 4% milk. There is no 4% milk, I'm just saying. Both 1 liters I add. What will be the quantity of milk that I get? What will be the What will be the quantity of milk that I get? See, I add. If I add these two, what will be the quantity of milk that I get? Quantity is different, guys. 1 liter I'm adding with 1 liter. What will I get?
2 liters.
2 liters is what I would get. That won't change. But the percentage fat in it will change. The percent fat here in this 2 liter is going to change. It will not be 2 or 4. It will be something else. You see? Does it make sense?
Be 6?
I don't think it would be 6. Why do you think it is 6?
Because you're
Good
adding the
question.
percentages.
It's not going to be like that. You know what? This part of the milk I add has lesser percentage of milk. This part of the milk that I add has more fat than that 2%. So when I combine those two, will the percentage get added? No, right? Bhakti, am I making it clear for you?
So would it be 3 then?
Likely. So you want to find that. How to find that? So first I need to find out the percentage of fat, meaning the percentage of fat in this 1 liter. What is the percentage of fat in that 1 liter? 0.02 times 1. What is the percentage of fat in this milk? 0.04 times 1. You get it? So when I add those two, I'm thinking of getting 2 liters of what percent? I don't know. That percent is X here. So now I add both to get 2x. So x will be 0.06 divided by 2, which is 0.03. 3% milk I'll get. You get it? You get it? The amount of fat that is less in here is compensated by the more amount of fat that is present in this milk. Here, the quantities were exactly the same. As a result, it was easy for you to find out what will be the resultant. You see, that's the average of this, because this is going to give less fat, this is going to give more fat, but the same quantity is combined, so middle ground you're getting. You get it? Krisha, are you listening? Krisha,
Yeah.
are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, but I don't think so. There's something going on there on the screens. So now, uh, from here, the problem is you are having 70% apple juice. That means what? It's not equal. See, you're combining 4 quarts with, we cannot come to a middle ground on this. Why? Because the quantities are going to be different. We don't know the quantity of this, but my target is to get 85%. Okay, that the quantity I know because I'm mixing x quarts. This is 4 plus x quarts. Here, what are you going to combine? Just the pure apple part of this. What is the pure apple part of this? 70% of 4, right? 7 by 10 of 4. What is the pure apple piece of this side? 9 by 10 of x. I will combine both to get my pure apple part 85 by 100 of 4 plus x. Any questions, guys? Harshita, did you get it, ma?
I got it.
Okay. Can I ask you to raise hands if you did not understand using the raise hand button? Use the raise hand button to convey to me that you did not get it. Ma, please feel free. I am okay to explain in different ways, but you should be able to get this slowly. Did you understand? Oh, I didn't see any hands. So all of you understood? Rishit? Did you get it, Rishit?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're calculating the pure apple piece of this. The quantity is different. That's what is making it hard. Tomorrow, if they give me, hey, I'm going to add 2 quarts of this, 2 quarts of this, then I know the middle ground. I'll get 80% apple juice with 4 quarts in it. That's easy to do. But they want to make it complicated. So they give you different different pure apple juice percentage you're combining. That's okay to combine. You'll get a middle ground. That's great. But then they make it different quantities. So the amount of pure apple juice in this 2 quarts is way too less. Here it's way too high, but you're targeting not at middle ground even. 70 and 90 you're combining to target 85. So definitely your 90% pure apple juice should be more, meaning more than the current whatever quarts, 4 quarts. Then only you will get an 85% pure apple juice. So logically thinking. So let's try this one. See, since none of you say that you didn't get it, I'm going to get you a direct problem and ask you to do this. Go ahead. Pranav, educate me, Pranav. You come for Friday or Sunday?
My mom said I come on Sundays.
Okay. Yeah, I remember. Yes, we decided that you'll do this. Yeah.
Oh.
Go ahead and do this problem. A grocery store sells, correct, Pranav. So, but let me tell you, log in at 8:30. Between 8:25 to 8:30, you log in. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, no problem. Since this is the first time, right? It's okay. Go ahead. A grocery store sells cashew nut. Try this one, guys. Put your quantities. See, now they are making trail mix. This is much easier. They're making trail mix means I'm combining cashews and I am combining peanuts to get a trail mix. These are practical problems, guys. That's why it's a little difficult. Now, the cashews cost more. Do you see it? When you add more cashews, it's going to raise your total trail mix cost. That is why in trail mix and all, when you see the nut that is cheaper is added more. You want to get, they want to mix 10 pounds of this. And they want to mix, I don't know, this one. Okay, but the trail mix that you will get is a combination of these two. This is the quantity you're going to get. And you want to sell it at 6.5 pounds per pound. So does it make sense? Please try. If you don't understand, I'll really help you with this.
Are we looking for what the peanuts are?
Yeah, we want, yeah. Oh, the question is not there. Sorry, ma. Yeah, find the number of pounds of peanuts needed to create the mixture. Ask whatever questions you have. Okay, let's try to be very, meaning when you go out of the class, I should feel like you learned something. You should for yourself feel like you learned something that you will not learn at school. It'll be easy at school. So that's the target. Every week, at least 2 different types you should learn. When we have the target, the classes will really be productive. Guys, if you didn't understand, just ping me in chat, guys. I'm prepared to help. Krishiv, did you answer the question, Krishiv? Duru and Pranav looks like you got it. Okay, Vibha noted your message. Yeah, Harshita, I think you all got it slowly. Very nice, Bhakti. So, rather than memorizing how it is done, understand how it is done. Then it becomes easier. I'll give you more problems. I think most of you got it. But if you don't answer, you are not at a benefit. That's it. Nabiha, that's correct. Adira, that's correct. Vinisha, answer is not supposed to be in decimals. If you're getting it in decimal, please share with me. I'll help you. Vibha, correct. Krishiv, your answer, did you answer already, you think?
Huh?
Did you answer?
Yeah.
Krishiv, did you answered? No, that is incorrect then. Can you share with us how you did?
Me?
Krishiv.
Oh.
Rishit, I think you got it. I told you, I felt, yeah. Question was for Krishiv. Amma, Anya, I cannot accept when you say like that. You have to be very clear with where, what, how, why. Go ahead. Anya, go ahead and explain. I'll help you. No, you don't have to try, Ma. I'm helping you, I'm saying, but please explain to me where you're not getting it. What is confusing?
No, I'm trying to solve it. I'm gonna see if I can solve it one more time.
But don't take the pain. I'm saying I'll help you, but please let me know.
Well, like I get it till there. I just don't get like so if it sells, is it asking for like if we add this many pounds of peanuts, then it'll sell at $6.50 per pound? Is like I don't get how to get there.
See, Ma, cashews, see, when you mix, okay, don't worry about anything. When you mix cashew and peanuts, right, you're getting a trail mix, right? That you know, you will do at home, right?
Yeah.
The problem is if I mix 1 pound of cashew with 1 pound of peanuts, you're going to get 2 pounds of trail mix. You agree with me?
Yeah.
That's what is being done here. Cashews 10 pounds, they are mixing with X pounds of peanuts to get 10 plus X pounds of trail mix. That's what they're doing. Get it?
So
But the problem here is they are not mixing 1 lb, 1 lb. They are mixing 8 lb and 4 lb. Do you see? The costlier nut, the quantity you add is more. You get it? So
yeah.
your trail mix is going to cost a lot more than peanuts, but less than cashews because you're not getting 10 plus X quantities of cashews. You're getting 10 plus X quantities of the trail mix, which also contain peanuts. So this piece is bringing the total price down. This piece is increasing the total price up. Do you see?
Yeah.
But again, it also depends on the quantity you add, correct?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm trying to find out. Suppose if you mix 10 pounds of 10 pounds of cashews, what will be the total money because of the cashews?
80.
80. What will be the total money because of the peanuts?
4x.
4x. So now this much money you have to get out of the trail mix, right? So that will be the same as 6.5 per pound, right? But the amount you get is 10 plus x. Do you get it, Anya?
Yeah.
So that you need to equate it. Make sense?
Yeah.
Solving this equation is in your hands. We have done that a lot before. You have to distribute this, find out the x value. X value will be 6.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to move on to the next problem for want of have done it, but other ones also will be similar, so you can do that. Okay, this one is a little harder. Let me see. Little harder, but I'm going to give you more different types. Rishit, would you mind letting me know that different types that you showed me last week? Sorry, Rishit.
Okay.
I can do the rest as well because
I
types
have
of.
my homework next to me. I can tell you a problem real quick.
Oh, Illama, I want to know the generic types, Amma.
Oh, so it goes like there's 50% of something, and then there's like another amount of something else. Then we need to find something that meets that a certain amount.
Yeah, see, I know, meaning, see, that is mixture problem type, right? Meaning more than the problem, I can get you problems. What I want is, what is the type that they want to get solved in school? One is mixture. What else? The other one is perimeter. The other one is angles. What else?
Oh yeah, there's that. And then there's systems of equations, but
Yeah.
they're gonna like make the word problems harder.
Oh, systems. Okay, okay. I see. I
Yeah.
see. Yeah, ma.
In school, we're learning about like polynomials and all.
In school for algebra one, okay. Dhruv, that for me, see, okay, I understand each of you are solving different things, okay. Suddenly, if I jump to polynomials, nobody will understand anything. I prefer going to exponential relationships next and then only polynomials, Amma. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Polynomials will come towards the end because that way there is a smooth transition. Now if I go to polynomials, you'll go crazy. Are you able to understand what's going on at school?
Yeah.
Have they finished the word problems and all this one?
No, we haven't started on this yet.
Not yet. Okay. See, that's what. See, this overall we'll go through polynomials, but only after, see, next comes exponential functions. Exponential functions and models only after linear. Then if I go to polynomials, if you will understand something. So I really want to go in order if that's okay with you. Make sense? Make sense, Dhruv? Did I give you a
Yeah.
proper explanation?
It's fine.
Yeah, Dhruv. I'm clearly seeing that that's the lesson plan I have with me, but I'm just telling you. Then see, for that matter, quadratic functions comes after polynomials. That will be the order which we will go. Okay, Dhruv. I am happy that you're bringing it up, but at the same time, I don't want to make a mess with the sequence as well. Make sense? If I move too much, people will not understand anything, I feel. So please let me go this way is my request. Let's see this one. But did you guys get it? Oh, wow. Each of you are getting one answer, guys. And that's okay. Let's see. Krish. Okay. What it is asking? Harshita, that's right. Pranav, that's right. Bhakti, can you do it on the board, ma? Please. Once you do, everybody will do. Do you want to do it on the board? I would like
Try.
you to say, yeah. If you didn't understand, you have to say, I don't know in the chat. If you get it wrongly, I want you to do it on the board because this is quite an important part. Mahir, are you getting it? Mahir, are you getting it? I want your answers though then. Mahir, that answer. Oh my gosh. Okay, Bhakti as well as Mahir are getting the same answer. Can one? Yeah, I want to see the answer. Yeah, let's wait, Mahir. Bhakti also has gotten the same incorrect answer. Let's wait and see. Uh-huh.
This was the equation that I set up.
Okay, I'm glad. But let me show you where is the problem. See, like this, if you can show, then we can go over what mistakes are there. Okay, here you are finding the salinity, meaning 2% 10 fluid ounces you're mixing. So this much is salt contained in it. This is the amount of salt contained in this 10 fluid ounces. This is the amount of salt contained in the 22 fluid ounces. This is the amount of salt contained. Now, your right side should also be the amount of salt contained. What is this X here? What did you think X was?
Like the salt, but you have to set up like the
Yeah,
number times the percent.
correct. So what the percent is what is X. The concentration is what is X. But you know the quantity that will come through. The quantity, the total quantity that will come through is what? See, when you add 10 fluid ounces and 22 fluid ounces, what will come through?
32.
32 fluid ounces. 32 fluid ounces of some percent salinity will come through. So that will be the total amount of salt. 32 times X will be the total amount of salt present in that output product. So X will be a decimal, which is the percentage value. Make sense? Make sense, Bhakti?
Yeah.
So-
Mahir?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, Madhuru, go ahead.
So would the equation be equal to like 11.2 equal to 32x?
Correct. Mahir, this is 11.2. But this 11.2, what is asked? What is the concentration of saline? What is the amount of salt in the new mixture? New mixture is going to have 32 quarts. But the percentage of salt is what you don't know. What percentage? X percentage. So X percentage will be equal to 11.2 by 32 or 112 by 320. That is what you need to find out. What is the decimal here? It will be 0.35. Any questions? Honestly, I didn't get all of your answers still. Bhakti, did you get it? Bhakti, did you get it?
Yeah.
How many of you know what are complementary supplementary angles? What are complementary supplementary angles? Okay, use a raise hand button to tell me if you know. If you don't know, I agree to that, but I would like to know if you know. To give you problems, guys, if you don't know, then I'll explain. That's why I'm asking, is there anybody who does not know? Okay, no. If you know, you have raised your hands. Okay, if you don't know, you have not raised your hands. Okay, there are some people, definitely. Okay. So, okay, wait, let me see. Adira, okay. Adira knows. Bhakti Nabiha Pranav. Okay. I see. Okay. Got it. So now let's say if I say here angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Can you explain, Nabiha, what does that mean?
Miss Priya.
That means that together they're 180 degrees.
Yep. Yes, Dhruv, what was that, Dhruv?
No, I was just asking if I can do it.
Oh, okay, sure. Next you do it, Dhruv. This is X, this is Y. Angle X plus angle Y equal to 90 degree. What does that mean, Dhruv?
It means the two angles added to
Add up to 90 degree.
90 degrees. Those are complementary.
Uh-huh. What is the complement of 50 degrees, Dhruv?
40 degrees.
40. Yeah, because those two add to 80. What is the supplement? Akshada, what is the supplement of 80?
100.
100. Because the two angles add up to 180. So this is the concept of complementary supplementary angles. Okay, I'll give you more mixture problems after a little while. But now I really would like you to try this one. Write an equation for this problem. Two angles. We are going to use two variables. So clearly this is two equations, two variables. Can we try? Can you lower our hands? Yes, I can. Bhakti, sorry, Bhakti, wait. Can you try writing equations? That's right. Navya, I did not get your answer on mixtures, right? Did you understand, Navya? Navya?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Srinitha and Vinisha, I want your answers. Vibha, what is that? Less than 30, less than 60? 60 and 30, right, ma?
Yeah, that was a typo.
No problem. How about this? Two angles are supplementary. You want to try this one, all of you? Yes, I'm assuming you're sending. Correct, ma. Vibha, that's right. Oh, this one, the next one that I'm going to give is a little difficult one. Nabiha, correct. Harshita, correct. Adira, correct. Vibha, correct. Krishav, there's a second problem on the board, Krishav.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yeah, I think all of you got this one. Navya, can I get the answer, Navya? I'm waiting. Bhakti, you got. Okay, Bhakti, what is the answer, ma Bhakti?
Sent the answer and then I replied with the equation.
Oh, I see. I saw your equation. I'm sorry, Bhakti. But that answer is incorrect, ma.
Oh, okay.
I'm checking. Wait. I don't know what is incorrect, right? Bhakti, 40 plus x, right? Because x plus, okay, let me do rather than telling you like this, right? Maybe you'll understand it quickly. See here. X plus y is 180. Those are the two angles. Define your variable. Now, the measure of one angle, any one angle, is 40 degree more than the other.
That's
So
Priya.
wherever you get it.
I made a computation error. I did 180 minus 40 is 120 by accident.
Oh, okay. Okay. Navya, I didn't get an answer. What's going on, Navya?
I sent it in the chat.
Okay, ma. Wait, ma. I didn't see yours, honestly. Wait. Yes, Navya. Okay. Okay, this one, let's see. If you don't get it, don't get dejected. Let's see. You have to slow down and write every step. You read every word and then write an equation or an expression for every step. X is what? What will be its complement? X complement is 90 minus X. X supplement is 180 minus X. So like that, every step, if you can write down the expression, this question is easy.
Am I right?
Dhruv is right. Rishit, can you check your answer? Pranav, can you check your answer?
Am I right?
1 minute, 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, let me see. Pranav, Dhruv is correct. Pranav, that is incorrect. Vinisha, okay, I'll help you. Anya, that is correct. Mahir, that is incorrect. Pranav or Mahir, can you explain to me on the board? You both have the same incorrect answer. Would you mind explaining to me on the board, Pranav? Nabiha correct, Srinita correct, Rishit correct, Harshita correct, Navya correct. Okay. Now, Pranav, can you explain it on the board?
I just did 2x plus 6 plus x equals 180. And that
1 minute, 1 minute. I'm writing it down for you. What is it? 2?
x plus 6 plus x equals 180.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's find out the mistake. Wait. I forgot the answer. Wait, Akshada, I'm checking. Wait, Akshada, that seems incorrect, ma'am. Let's see, guys. I'll do it on the board, I feel. So I really want to do inequality problems as well today. Let me see how much of it is possible. The measure of an angle, okay, angle is x. The measure of an angle, its complement. What is the complement of my angle? 90 minus x. The measure of an angle is means equal to. Every word makes sense. 6 more than, twice. The problem is 6 more than, twice its complement, 2 times its complement. What is the complement of that angle? 90 minus x. Okay, if you don't understand what's going on, right? Let me erase this. What you can do here is, you can complement of the angle is y. Okay. Now, you all know x plus y equal to 90 degree. That is one equation. The second equation is, the measure of the angle x is 6 more than twice its complement. Now, if you do this, wherever you see x, right, you can substitute 90 minus y will be equal to x, right? You can use substitution. So whenever you see the x, you can substitute 90 minus y. This is an easier way. So 3y will be equal to 84. Y will be equal to 28. One of the angle is 28. So 90 minus 28 is the other angle. Any questions? Pranav, did you understand where was the mistake?
Yeah. Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Did you understand my Bhakti?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a little difficult. Okay, let me see. I have one more problem in this one, in this set. Meaning different types of problems. You can get anything in algebra. How about this?
Is my answer correct?
Correct, Rishit. Anya, correct. I didn't get answers from everybody. What does that mean? Harshita, Nabiha, Rishit, Anya, correct. Can I get the answers from everybody? If you don't know, doesn't matter. You can just say you don't know.
Wait, can I explain this one?
Absolutely, ma'am. Oh, give me a minute, Anna. Let others. Okay. Mahir, I'll help you. Navya, Adira, Vinisha, correct. Bhakti, you got the equation, but here x equal to y. You know why?
Oh, yeah.
I'll tell you why. Because see, if something is in the ratio 2:3 means it can be 4:6. It can be 10:15, right? So the multiplier is always the same in this case. Here the multiplier was 2. Here as well the multiplier should be 2. Here the multiplier is 5. This side as well the multiplier will be 5. So I can have the multiplier as x. So the actual measures can be 2x, 3x. You got it? Bhakti?
Yeah.
Okay. Mahir, did that give you a clue?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me solve. You got it? So one is, and the multiplier is 15. So one angle is 75.
Yeah.
Other angle is 105. Can I move on? Okay. Mixture problems, we are not thorough, is what I feel. Let me see, guys. Yeah. Yeah, let's see this one. I don't know, this is a little tough. Mm. 1 second, guys. Okay, let's try this one. How about this? Please do the same thing. Do the same thing, then it'll be better.
Priya, how many variables would be in the equation?
Actually, one is enough, ma. That's what I thought. Should you have two? Was my honest thought too. As soon as I saw the problem, but you can have one. I'll give you a clue. But I really like your question. So a chemist has one solution that is 80%. Chemistry problems came in Rishit. 30% acid, 80% acid. Okay, the two solutions are combined to get a 62% acid. This is 200 liters, right? So why do you want to have two variables? You don't have to, right, ma? Even if you put x and y, right? It doesn't make any sense because if this is x means this can be 200 minus x, ma. You get it? Bhakti, did I answer your question?
Wait, why 200 minus x?
Because the total has to be 200.
Oh, okay.
Make sense? Make sense, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's easy to form. What is the acid? Meaning acid part of it is only what? 0.8 times x. Acid part of this is? So the total will be 200 liters, 0.62. So now you have to find out x. Not a hard one. Rishit, now is it easy for you?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, nice. Okay. See, if you understand it, it really feels good. Harshita correct, Pranav correct. Guru correct. I'll give one more. Oh, next class will be our last class, huh? Before the break. Oh my goodness. Give me a minute, let me check. Oh yes. Then I want to solve one or two inequalities, guys. I don't want to go back. 1 second. I think you can deal with this chemistry problems going further. How about this? Yeah, I really want to do this one, okay? I'll give you more if you need practice problems, but I'll stop here the mixture. Yeah. And Bhakti, there is some problem, Bhakti. I think your computation has gone Avri.
I think I didn't put, like, I did x equals 168 and 200 minus x equals 32.
It should be 128, ma'am.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying. There's some computation mistake, I feel. Can you check? I'm
can I
not.
send you my work really quickly?
Yeah, yeah. -24 minus 60 is 64. This is what I got. So x will be 128. Anya, I did it on the board. Nabiha, 128, Amma. I know, I think
Oh,
Bhakti.
I see where I went wrong.
Where you did not distribute, right?
Wait,
Yes.
what?
Did you distribute?
I
Wait,
think I did, yeah.
I'm checking, I'm checking. No, you didn't distribute. How 60 came? 600, right?
Oh, yeah.
Is it not?
Wait, it wouldn't be 600
Oh,
because
no,
it's
no, no, no.
point
Okay,
3,
that's
right?
point 3. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Point 3. Correct, correct. You're correct. Uh-huh. Bhakti, 124 minus 60 is not
It's
84.
not 84.
That's okay. We'll go ahead. Okay. Now, the last one I want to do is this one. Yo, where is my notes? Sorry, guys. Give me a minute. Where? Okay. This is one last question I want to solve for the class. How about this? Think nicely. This is inequalities, okay? A student has to buy a graph paper, okay? I'll say I have to buy graph paper and printer paper. Okay, printer paper costs 2 per pack. Printer paper costs $2 per pack. Per pack, okay? Graph paper costs $3 a pack. Totally, I want to buy at least 6 packs. Okay. And spend at most 27. Can you do this one? How many papers of each type can I buy?
Wait, by at most, do you mean like you have to spend at least, or does it mean like you have to spend less than, not more?
I didn't get your question through, but
What does utmost mean?
Utmost means maximum. So basically, just define your variables. X will be whatever from your question, define your variables. The question says how many of each, right? X is equal to X equal to number of packs of printer paper. Y equal to number of packs of graph paper. This is an inequality. See, at most, at least, all that is coming. So what is my constraint? I want to buy at least 6 packs. So X plus Y I buy should be greater than or equal to 6. Make sense? The second one, what is that I can do? What is the second
Wait,
equation I
Priya,
can write?
When you multiply by a negative, the sign flips, right?
Yes.
Wait, so what's the question we want?
I want to find the number of packs of printer paper and graph paper. Can I go ahead and solve or shall I wait? Please tell me, guys. Can you all tell me, should I do or shall I wait?
Can you solve it, please?
Sure. So there are two things given. I want to buy at least 6 packs. That says my x plus y should be greater than or equal to 6. But at most 27 is the money I can spend. 27 can be here, but how to find out the money? If x is the number of packs of printer paper, then per pack cost is 2. So 2x will be the money I spend on printer paper. 3 times the number of packs will be the amount of money I spend on graph paper. When they both get added, they cannot be more than 27, is less than or equal to 27. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
First, for this one, I have to convert to y form. Y is greater than or equal to 6 minus x. Again, for this, I have to convert to y form. How to convert it? One is this equation. Second equation would be 27 minus 2x. Y is less than or equal to 27 minus 2x by 3. Y is less than or equal to 9 minus 2 by 3x. So you can plot these two lines, right? And then you will have a region, right? I can show you how it works. This one will continue next week. I just want to know, at least do one problem. So y
Wait,
is
will we have class?
next week we have, right, ma? 15th of December. Anya, am I
Oh
making
yeah,
sense?
yeah.
Okay. So now, so what happened here? You will have, should I plot it now quickly? Okay, let me plot it quickly. Okay, I cannot be lazy. X equal to 0, y equal to 6, y equal to 0. X will be equal to 6 MC. Yep. So this is the line points for the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll quickly do, guys. You don't have to do, but I want you to listen properly. Okay, now that's the first line. Okay, y is greater than or equal to means thicker line and up. The top part is shaded. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. The other one is, what does it say? Y is less than or equal to 9 minus 2 by 3x. So hard. So 0, 9 is a point. And if I put 0 for the y, what happens? 9 equal to 2 by 3x. X will be equal to 27 by 2 means 13.5, right? 13.5 comma 0 is another point of the line. So I can draw that line 0 comma 9. 0 comma 9 is here. Okay, 6.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
is my answer correct? The one I put.
1 minute, I'm doing right. Can you give me a minute? 13.5 comma 0 is here. So the problem for me is this will be a line like this. Now it is less than means it is a thicker line because of the equal to sign, but I will shade lower than the line because it's less than. Line is this. So whatever I want to shade is less than or equal to means lower than the line. So the only part that can be a solution is this piece. That means you can buy X is what? X is the number of packs of printer paper. Anything more even the points on this line or this line are solutions because we have an equal to sign in both the inequalities. So definitely they are solutions, but then you can have multiple solutions, meaning printer paper can be anything above this, anywhere here, X value. Graph paper can be values anywhere here. You see what I mean? Meaning this is 6, right? This is 6, right? That was, this was 13.5 here. And top part here was 9. So Y can be anything between 6 to 9, 6 and 9 included. X can be anything from 6 to 13, 6 and 13.5 included. Did you get it? No? Nabiha, no? You didn't? Okay, can we do it next week? I can do it next week again. The same problem will continue. Is that okay? But I really want you to get this next week for sure. Okay. Any questions for me? Stay. If you don't, then the homework will be on mixture problems and more word problems, equations, not inequalities.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss
Yeah.
Priya.
Bye. Have a
Bye,
nice
Miss
day.
Priya.
Have a nice
Bye, Miss
day.
Priya.
Bye.
Wait, Mrs. Priya.
Yes, ma.
So I saw the comment which you put on my homework. That's because like ever since I came back from Mexico, like I've been loaded with a bunch of homework and makeup stuff. So I was like drowning in that.
No problem. 1 minute. Honestly, I don't remember. Okay, wait, I'm checking. What was that? Oh my gosh. No, I'm happy that, oh, you didn't do it all. Okay, got it. Okay.
Like I did some, but like for the most part, I was like having a lot of homework and makeup stuff to do.
No problem at all. But slowly finish that, and then for this at least say 50% as much after you finish the backup stuff, right? You start
Yeah.
working on this.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, bye, ma. Thanks for letting me know, Rishit.
Bye.
Hi. Hi,
Bye.
Ritu. How are you? Good to see you. You're doing so well in class.
Thank you.
Have a nice Sunday, both of you.
Both you too. Bye.
Bye.